All right, so in this situation, just trying to fill in the places where they filled the wall with insulation. So I'm gonna remove all the boards that are ruined or damaged from those holes, replace them with these, they're 1/2x6, which in reality the old boards were 1/2x4. This piece was a test piece to see if I could get it up underneath the old piece and make the reveal still look okay and not have it held out too far without ripping them down. And it seems okay. I think once it's all painted you won't even notice it. Up there, we're going to remove all these boards here and re-side all the way up. Now we're going to tie into these, we're going to leave those in, and that'll be what we build off of. So we'll tuck one underneath that there, and then we'll remove all these and fill in new boards all the way across there, and then just tie in from up there. Alright, so we got it done here now. For the most part, got all those pieces patched in using the, so we originally had 4-inch siding. I was able to work out having 1/2 by 6 siding. We're able to loosen the siding up and just ferret it up underneath. So it worked out just fine. And here's the finished product. Filled, painted. You can see that most of it is fairly seamless. Fits in nicely with what's there. So there's old siding that's been renovated.